This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Blue Horizon Group. Less than bedroom greater than Margaret and Dave. Shinnebarger. Indian River Point single family home on Hutchinson Island with boat slip. Walk or ride your bike to the beach. Open floor plan. 3-bedroom/2 bath with front lanai. Renovated kitchen and bathrooms in 2021. Stainless steel appliances. Wood-like vinyl flooring. Hardi-Plank siding. Full-size indoor washer/dryer. Low HOA includes water, lawn care, community marina, heated/chilled pool and tennis court. More pictures coming soon. For more information, review the details below or contact Blue Horizon Group. Less than bedroom greater than Margaret and Dave. Shinnebarger at 772-214-7910.